Yo, y'all know the vibes. It is Smooth Lifetime. We're back with another back with a heater for sure. So today, I have some maintenance I have to do on my car that's mandatory. So a couple videos back when I raced that Corvette Z06, y'all remember him saying, "Dang, your brakes are smoking" and all that? Yeah. You said my brake was smoking for real?
Yeah.
Like the front or the rear?
No, the front.
Damn.
It went like this.
Yeah. So which ones are smoking?
Well, I saw that one. I didn't see this one because you were on this side.
Damn. Yeah, my bad. I didn't even think about it. But yeah. Damn, this is covered in brake dust now.
Yeah, fuck, look at that.
I got brake. I still got some pad life though. Well, my brakes were on fire for like a minute amount of time. So now today I have to actually buy new brake pads, which I have in the mail now, which I have them about to get fixed today by my friend Abood Auto Wraps. He does everything. He wraps cars, does a lot of maintenance work for your boy. So we're gonna get those installed today because I do have a constant like metallic sound when I drive that goes through the hair like shing shing. Maybe I heat damage them, I don't know, but we're gonna change them out real quick because I have like 15% pad life left. And I've been on a close line, so man, if you're new, go subscribe to the channel, man, join the Smooth gang. But today we're going to be changing my brake strip, a specific brand, a very popular brand that excludes all brake dust, well, at least 80% of it, better than the OEM brakes from Z01. So I'm not going to show you guys the brake pads until I get there, so I'll see you guys at a boot shop. They about to hit my car, so we on the way to a shop right now. This should be a familiar drive for you guys. But one thing that I want to touch on is that I'm replacing the OEM pads with an aftermarket one that's supposedly better with brake dust. But before I continue that, you know, man, we about to hit a tunnel real quick, so you know what vibe it is. Hopefully I don't mess up these construction careers. I'm a child, man. That's probably why my gas mileage is so bad. Now the car is downshifting by itself. But yeah, I want to touch on the fact that so the OEM brake pads have they say the best rated braking power, but they have so much brake dust with the stock 6-piston Brembos with the stock pads. So there's this one brand, they're carbon pads that supposedly reduces the brake dust by a whole lot. So we're gonna try those out because your boy ruined the first pair, the OEM pair. Bro, I'm just driving. There's a 4GT right here. What the fuck? Oh, why is a random just 4GT just driving through? What in the world is going on? What? Wow. People got money out here, boy. If y'all would like and subscribe, I have money too. Man, we are here at my boy's shop. We always here though. And look what we have out here. How many shops I go to just have a Porsche Turbo S that makes 1,000 wheel sitting out here, man? Y'all let me know. Sitting outside though is crazy. I'm gonna park my car right here until he comes. Let me park this thing right here. I don't know if he's here, if he's inside, if he's not. Let's check. I don't think he's here. It is cold outside. Usually his door be open. But I'm gonna show y'all while we're here what's the issue and what's going on, cause see, my brake pad life is kind of minuscule, real minuscule. I don't know if y'all can see that. And I don't want to have to pay for new rotors, which I'm going to end up having to because rotors is getting almost worn out, man. And these rotors ain't cheap. I think those 2 pieces. Yeah. This was the side. No. This was the side that was on fire, or that was smoking really bad. And you could tell right after because it was every time it made a rotation, it was a metallic sound though. Shing, shing. I don't know if these are warped. I doubt it. I know for sure the fronts are messed up. But yeah, I'm just here talking about that Porsche. Is that a Model T? No, I'm joking. Boy, this that 1985 right here, boy. A Chevy. Oh, this is the oh. Oh, this your great granddaddy right here. This your great this your great granddaddy. Oh shit. Y'all excuse me for me not knowing what that is, man. I'm a young cat. 2000s baby, man. But now we still waiting for a boo, bro. Yeah, that's funny though.
Like what do you want for your tire size?
Except for my tire, my wheel size.
Your wheel size.
I just want some 19s, some good looking 19s.
20?
Yeah, 20. Let's start 20s. Nah, his bed up there. This got it wrapped. Shit, I might as well go ahead and show them the brakes now. I kept it a secret from my viewers, man.
It's time for a bigger fucking drop nowadays.
Car's not that low. But you know, we got them power stop carbon things on you, boy. Let me take them out. Let me make my hat ring come out. And these motherfuckers heavy. Ah.
Be good.
But yeah, we got some power stop, man. Z26. Hopefully these fit actually, because on the website it said it fits ZL1s, but then it started saying other year model Camaros and stuff, so they should fit though. Yeah. No more brake dust, I guess, or minuscule brake dust, because the OEM brake pads are insanely crazy when it comes to that. Like you wash your wheel and like after 2 pulls, your wheels are covered in brake dust. So yeah, y'all remember this vet on the channel though. Got my little wrap on there. It was a nice stuff, 4 stars. What size are these? 19s?
Yeah, 19 in the rear, 18 in front.
Yeah, what's that?
I got that, but you know, it's all good, dude.
Yeah, it'd be alright.
Got by a 10-speed ZL1.
Yeah, it's okay, man. You know how many people got that sauce, man? It's okay. Not too many. The car is not that fucking fast. Maybe gonna let my boy Boo do his work, boy. Boo auto wraps, man. We wrap. You change your brakes. Yeah. Can't wait to see how these. Hopefully, I mean, it's gonna be a drop in braking power though, because it's not the OEM pads. But. Shout out to Discount Tire for fucking up my wheel locks. Apparently, they're not going on. So now we gotta do some ghetto ass shit just to get my wheels off. It's crazy. Yeah. That boy Boo got the damn lug nut off, man. I don't know how you did it, but you got it off.
Shout out to Discount Tire.
Yeah, Discount Tire, man. Hey, viewers, man, they said they're gonna buy me a whole new set of lug nuts and all, and a key and all that. I'm gonna make sure I extort them boys, man. Get something crazy about them. They had them motherfuckers training on paper. This is $66,000 car. Why are you training on that? That don't make no sense to me at all. So we won't got money over here. We make payments on shit, man. Won't get. If y'all like and subscribe and share it, maybe we get the big bucks. You feel me? But we ain't got it. It'd be funny if these brake pads don't fit.
That would be funny. I'll be pissed.
It says ZL1 on the thing though. It said it fit 2016 to 2023, 2017 to 2023. So damn, this shit's big as fuck. Shit about the same size as Landon head. Nah, yeah. Nah, your head bigger, bro.
Where are your safety goggles at? Where are your earplugs?
You know, I got it on camera.
Oh. It's fucking bullshit.
And just like that, we are done. Fronts, rears over at Boo. Do great work, man. I gotta pay him. Might pay his ass in pennies and shit. Nah, but better torque them hoes down. And that's it for that. We're gonna break them in on the way home. I guess y'all can be part of the break-in process when I do it. Shit, I guess it's the break-in. 5 aggressive decelerations, 40 to, oh, okay. 5 moderate, just, okay, 35 to 5. Drive slowly to cool your brakes. It didn't do it that time. Alright, you guys, we are done. The Boo did my front and rear brakes in a good amount of time. But guess what? We're going to Discount Tire tomorrow after I get off of work. They're gonna provide me with new lug nuts and a new key because they new locking lug nuts and a new key because they tore up the ones that I had on my car. So they're gonna give me those. So I'm driving around with 4 lugs on my wheels now. So, but I'm about to break these brake pads in, man. It's late, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Not gonna record it, so I'll see you guys later, man. Thank you for watching. If you're new, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. I do these random vlogs every other couple videos just to give y'all a little daily in my life. So not just number race content, all that stuff. But you guys will get to know me too. So, but yeah, you already know. Hope you guys enjoyed. It was Smooth Life Ty.